against Rick. Starting ng third game po tayo. Sa mga pagod na, don't hesitate na lumapit dito.
Share lang ako rin, ha?
Okay, study na po tayo ng third game.
Sige lang. Galing pa ang trabaho.
Alright. Yes. By Jerome. Alright, start the po tayo ng game 3 ng Primetime Ballers. Jake, kinaliwa. Okay, hesitating. Looking for the pass. Rob, sa gitna. Okay, attempting a steal. Pinasa kay Rua. Rua ay tapat si Oliver. Okay, King. Pinalik kay Pick. Binigay kay Rob. What a nice! Ooh! Parang dream shake! Pero no good! No good, Jerome dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Matthew. Mid-range. No good. Pick. Dribbling the ball. Oh, what a nice pass! No good! No good, pero no rebound by Oliver. No look back. No good again. Number 31, Danan, floater, go! Grabe, nakalagpas na isang defender. Then floater. What will they do? Rua. The 3-point line. Pick at the 3-point line. Hindi yung bola, dalawa pala papasaan doon. Nice replay na pinasa sa ilalim.
Ballpen.
Okay, for six ang score natin dito sa Team B. Ben winning the ball sa gitna. Okay. Attempting for a play. Floater, no good. Rebound by King. Libre by Six. Oy! Extra basket to King. Paso! Score po natin, 4-8 in favor of Team B. Okay, then, pinasa kay Matthew for the 3 points, number 31, side step. Pass to the three-point line. No good. Rebound again by number 31. Pull up. Paso. 6-8 po ang score. Dalawa lang po ang kalaman ng TNT. Grabing bigayan dito. Game, pinasakay ulit. Jerome, ganda ba? Pass by Oliver. Benko. No good. Ben, dire-diretso. All eyes on Matthew. Pero, all yours. Ben. Ganda ba? Pass. Napunta sa opposing opponent. Game, mid-range. Paso! Grabe, stop and stop.
Stop lang yan,
2 points. Score po natin 6-10. Apat po ang kalamangan ng Team B. Matthew with a crossover. Mangga. Alright, man in the corner. Pinasa sa gitna by Jerome. Attempting for a three. No good. 7 minutes and 20 seconds left. Here sa game 3. Score again, 6-10. Okay, six. Pinasa kay King. Attempting for a rebound. Looking at loose ball. Number 31, binigay kay Ben. Okay. Number 31, attempting to the play. Roy, sa kaliwa, crossover. Pinasa kay Matthew. Matthew pinasa sa gitna. 4-point play. Paso! 4 points yun by number 31. Oh, pinasa sa likod. Pero nice recovery by Rua. 6. Pinasa sa kanan.
4 points lalagay.
2 points by Rose. Jerome. Pinasa kay Matthew. Matthew! Oy! Ganda sa araw nun. Pero nice recovery. Ay, outside. Score, 10-12. Lamang po ang Team B.
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Young flame in sicko mode.
Inbound. Pinasa kay King. Pinalik. Kay Vic. For three. No good. Rebound by number 31. Sending for a crossover. Pero loose ball. Vic with a steal. Pinasa sa gitna. Oliver. Crossover. Nawala ka ba siya? Pinalik kay Vic. Draw for three. Nice pass. Tuhoy! Hit the lefty by Oliver. Jerome with a no-look pass. Jerome, dire-diretso. Okay, holding the ball. Pinalik kay Ben for setting a play. Ben for three. No good. Pick. Pinasa kay Ruma with the fast break. Ruma by Ruma. 10-16 naman po ng anim. O, apat na lang. With a nice layup. Mabilis ang layup by Jerome. Ready to play. Alright. Reading the offense. Game for three. No good. What a nice attack by Oliver. Offensive rebound. Down to first and goes to Jerome. Spin move behind the back. Recovery. Binigay kay Matthew. No look pass. Nice pass by Matthew with a score by Jerome. 40-16. Dalawa na lang po ang kalaman. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. Okay, pass to Rob. Spin move. No good. Matthew, training the ball. Side step, paso! All 16! What a nice 6-0 run by Team A! Grabe yun, nakakabol. Sig, pinasa kay Bunga. Binalik sa gitna. Tabek! What a nice tabek by number 31! Matthew, dire-diretso. Sinaliwa, no good? Okay. Dire-diretso, nice recovery by Greg. What a nice defense. Walang round lang nangyari. Paso! Tabak by number 31. Binigay kay Ben. Pick. Binalik. Uy! Makalaban mo na yun. Pick. 2 for 1. Dinakdakan! Dinakdakan by Rua. 16-20. Bumalik po ang apat ng kalamangan ng Team B. Okay, nice put back to by number 31, 18-20. 3 minutes left.
That shit ready like I'm set to the shots that I took.
Okay, setting the play. Ubus oras ba to? Kasi lamang sila ng dalawa. Pinagay ni Rua. Nice lead, pero loose ball. Loose ball, Jerome, dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Ben. Pinasa kay Matthew. Perimeter. Easy to by Matthew. All 20. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. May pick po ang laban ngayon. GG man. Okay, pinasa kay Oliver. Kick and roll ba yun? So good. Ben. Handling the ball. Pagkileto. Okay. Pinagay kay Jerome. Standing. Nagkatangga ba? Ben. Pinasa kay Michael. Michael. The big man play. Pinasa kay Matthew. Alright. Uy! Pasa pa na yun! Pero foul committed.
Brother connection.
Same ball.
Brother connection.
Brother connection. Doon na pasok yun, di ba? Number 31. Pinasa kay Ben. On the right side. Ben, binalik yung number 31. Attempting for a 3. No good. Again, all 20. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Good. Rob, dire-diretso. Pastoro! Rebound with a coast to go. Sama po ang dalawa. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Jerome, bumawi. Another goes to both. All 22. King. Tuloy-tuloy pa ang stick nila doon. Matthew attempting for a steal. King, pinasa kay Pick, pinasa kay Rua. Fourth. No good. Extra pass by King. Hawak. Oliver for the 2. No good. Then, handling the ball. Ito ba yung chance nila para lumamang? All 22. Okay, no look. Pasa pala yun. Number 31. Mid-range. No good. Last 40 seconds. All 42. Next. Crossover. Crossover. Binigay kay Rua. Second chance 3 points. No good. All 42.
30 seconds.
30 seconds left. So, pwede sa dalawa session. Umata na steal by Rua. Ito na yung chance nila para manalo. 6 for 3. No good. Rob. Off-move. Off-move. What a nice pick. Loose ball. Ang hirap yun. Oh, nice pick. No good. Wow.
Last possession.
Last possession. 10 seconds. All 22. Last possession. Last possession. Kung napasok, panalo na ang Team B. Last possession. Alright. Pinasa kay Oliver. Pasok! Game winner! Team B. 24-22.